Question number 4. Solve the following problems. Number 1. Ramesh bought 2 kg of potatoes, 7/4 kg of tomatoes and 3/2 kg of onions from the market. Find the total weight of the vegetables he has bought. So first we will write weights of vegetable. So weight of potatoes equal to, he bought potatoes 2 kg. So we will write here 2 kg. Then weight of tomatoes 7/4 kg of tomatoes. So we will write 7/4 kg. Then weight of onions he brought 3/2 kg. So we will write 3/2 kg. So we have to find out total weight of the vegetable. So what we will do? We will add. So 2 plus 7/4 plus 3/2. So here denominator not there, so we will write here 1. So here all denominators are different. So first we have to make it same. For that we will take out LCM. So we will start with 2 table. 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2. Again 2 is there, so we will write 2. So 2 1s are 2. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4. So our first fraction is 2/1. So we want your denominator should be 4. So what we will multiply? 4, 1 4s are 4. In numerator also we will multiply by 4. So 2 4s are 8. Then second fraction is 7/4. So we want your denominator 4. So we will multiply by here 1. So 7 1s are 7. So third fraction is 3/2. So we want your denominator 4. So we will multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. Now our fractions are 8/4 plus 7/4 plus 6/4. So all the denominator becomes same. So we will write one common denominators and we will add the numerators. So 8 plus 7 plus 6. So 8 plus 7 15. 15 plus 6 21/4. So our answer, the total weight of vegetables equal to 20/4 kg. Now number 2. Aman weighs 143/3 kg while Hamid weighs 307/6 kg. Who weighs more and by how much? So weight of Aman equal to 143/3 kg and weight of Amit equal to, Amit weighs 307/6 kg. So 307/6 kg and we have to find the difference of the weight. So what we will do? We will subtract. So 307/6 minus 143/3. So first we have to make the denominator same. So for that we will take out LCM. So we will start with 2 table. 2 3s are 6 and 3 we will carry down same. Then 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiplied by 3 we will get 6. So our first fraction is 307/6. So 307/6. So we want your denominator should be 6. So we will multiply by 1. So 307/6. Then second fraction is 143/3. So 143/3. So we want your denominator should be 6. So here 3 is there. So we multiply by 2. So 3 2s are 6. Same way in numerator also by 2. So 143 multiplied by 2, 286. So now we have to subtract. So 307/6 minus 286/6. 6. Here denominator becomes same. So we will write one time common denominator. So 307 minus 286. So this we have to subtract. 307 minus 286. So 7 minus 6, 1. 0 minus 8 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 3. So this 3 will become 2 and this 0 will become 10. So 10 minus 8, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So our answer equal to 21 upon 6. So we will write here. Who weighs more? Whose kg is more? 307 upon 6 is more. That is of Amit weight. So Amit weighs how much more? 21 upon 6 kg more than Aman. Number 3. Riya bought wheat for rupees 180.55, rice for rupees 55.48, vegetables for rupees 65.80 and spent rupees 80.60 on auto fare. So how much money did he spend in all? So we will start with the statement. Riya bought wheat for rupees 180.55 and rice for rupees 55.48 and vegetables for rupees 65.80 and auto fare is spent rupees 80.60. So we have to now add. So 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. So 3 we will write down. 1 will be plus 5, 6. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 18 plus 6, 24. So 4 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. So 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 5, 12. 12 plus 0, 12. So 2 we will write down. 1 will be carried over. So 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. 20 plus 8, 28. So 8 we will write down. 2 will be carried over. 2 plus 1, 3. So our answer, Riya spent rupees 382.43. Question number 4. The stock of wheat in a hostel for a month is 2 quintal 45 kg. If 1 quintal 79 kg of wheat was used in a month, find the amount of wheat left. So we will start with the statement. The stock of wheat in a hostel. So how much stock is there in a hostel? So 2 quintal 45 kg. So we will write 2 quintal 45 kg. Then wheat used in a month. How much used? 1 quintal 79 kg of wheat was used. So 1 quintal 79 kg. And we have to find out how amount of wheat left. So what we will do? We will subtract. So here we will write quintal and here we will write kg. So total is 2 quintal 45 kg and how much used? 1 quintal 79 kg. This we have to subtract. So 5 minus 9 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 4. So this 4 will become 3 and this 5 will become 15. So 15 minus 9, 6. Here 3 minus 7 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 2. So this 2 will become 1 and this 3 will become 13. So 13 minus 7, 6 and this 1 minus 1, 0. So how much kg wheat is left? 66 kg. So 66 kg amount of wheat left.